Last year, the world experienced an unbelievable challenge. Many lost their precious lives, while the lives of even more were jeopardized. Although it was unexpected, this pandemic was not the first of its kind. It is a direct result of our broken relationship with nature. Illegal wildlife trade, deforestation, pollution, and so many more mistakes we continue to make. Every year we experience the planet getting warmer, while the snow caps slowly melt away. In Kathmandu Valley alone, every day millions of plastic bags are thrown away. It is time for us to stop. Let's own up to our mistakes and start making amends. Every decision we make affects our planet. So why not make a positive mark instead? Why not leave our planet a little better than what we inherited? Let's refuse single-use plastic. Choose clean energy. Protect our forests and embrace a sustainable lifestyle. Let's speak up for nature this Earth Hour by joining us on WWF Nepal's Facebook page on 27 March, 7 p.m. Change is essential. Let's begin with ourselves.